What's going on, guys? Operation Moon here with another video. Today we're just going to go over SHIB, look at the Reddit, jump across to the Twitter and look at some articles that I feel like will impact the price of SHIB in the future. That being said, I now have a Patreon, so if you wish to support me, you can head over there. There'll be a link in the description, and you'll also get access to my crypto investing guide and profit strategy. So if you're interested in that, just head across to the Patreon and sign up. Let's get into it. Now we're going to jump straight into the coin market cap here, and we can see the total market is up 3.2%. Bitcoin is up 2.28%, sitting at 35,400. So very good. Now, what is the price of SHIB? So SHIB is up 0.23% down in the last 24 hours, but 18% up overall in the last 7 days. Now let's jump into that and go to the day chart here. And we can see we had this huge spike the other day where we were trying to drop that zero. We're on the way to dropping that zero. Basically had a sell-off after that. And now we're slowly on the uptrend again. So if we just head to the trading view here to get a better idea of the candles. So let me just fix that. Sorry, on the 1 hour time frame here, you can see it's not that bad at the moment. Now, obviously, we were way up here back when we were trying to drop that zero, which is going to happen. SHIB is strong, especially with shibaswap right around the corner. We know that. But yeah, currently we're on that nice upward swing from this low. So where are we? That's a 8% increase, in the last day and a half. So promising stuff there. Market cap is down 0.12%. Trading volume is up 5.8%. So very good. An interesting thing here is there's almost 1 million people on the watch list. We're 13,000 away from the watch list. So perspective on that, if we just jump back here, we go have a look at Doge. Doge has 1,004,000. So we're about 17K behind Doge, and Doge has been around forever. So SHIB army is strong. Very good. Jumping across here to the ETH scan, we're at 581,000 holders. It's increasing by like 10,000 a day, 5 to 10,000 a day, which is unreal. So like I said in my last video, we're going to have 1 million holders before the end of the year. If you believe so, drop a comment down below saying SHIB army to 1 mil. Now, an interesting post here on the Reddit. I thought I would share it with everybody. So little tweet here from the Doge Killer. Now, it basically says, before Uniswap, Uni released its exchange in December 2020. It was trading at $3. When the Uni exchange was released, it was trading at 43. There's a response here. Before pancakeswap, Cake released its exchange and was trading around 60 cents. Months later, after the exchange was released, it was trading at $40. This just shows the potential and success for shibaswap. Huge stuff there. Remember, for the first 14 days, they're doing the 10 times the bone on the shibaswap, which is going to get a lot more people involved. So look forward to that. Jumping across to Twitter now, this was a tweet from CoinGecko. Now, there's 2 of them. As you can see here, the top 30 trending coins for the 26th of June to the 2nd of July. SHIB's number 1. That's, it's back to back, I believe. So it's up there. As you can see, you got SafeMoon sitting at 7. And then the rest, you got Feg. Doge is all the way down here at 10. So interesting stuff there. It's no surprise. SHIB army is extremely strong. And then we jump across to the same, but it's the top 10 trending coins in the United States, and SHIB is number 1. So very positive. Doge is sitting at 8 there. So very happy about that. It's got a $31 billion market cap still as of the 2nd of July. Let's just take half of that out and get it straight into SHIB and see what happens with the price. Maybe we'll drop a zero then. But anyway. And now we're just going to jump into an article here on Cointelegraph. Now, I believe that this will have a major impact for the price of the overall crypto market as well as SHIB with the shibaswap release. So Bitcoin fractal setup from 2019 hints BTC price can rebound back to 50K. The ongoing Bitcoin downside correction is strikingly similar to its price action in June-December 2019. Bitcoin faces the prospects of reaching 47,500 to 50,000 based on its current trends, similar with the one in June through to December 2019. 2019 Bitcoin fractal. In detail, Bitcoin topped out at around 14,000 on June 26, 2019, before turning lower for the remainder of the year on profit-taking sentiment as well as FUD sparked by Bitcoin Cash hard fork, Facebook's standoff with regulators over the crypto project, Libra, and then US President Donald Trump and Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin's threatening tone on Bitcoin. The flagship cryptocurrency crashed to near 6,500 in December 2019. In doing so, it prompted its 50-day simple moving average SMA to flip below its 200-day SMA, a phenomenon that technical chartists call a death cross, and see its formation as a sign of extended sell-offs ahead. But at the same time, Bitcoin bulls held the price above the 50-week SMA. Cryptocurrency's one-day chart showed bears' attempts to crash the price below its 50-week SMA, but bulls bought those dips every time. Willful buy actions near the 50-week SMA later led to a strong upside rebound towards the 61.8% level fib. It constituted a drop-down Fibonacci retracement graph drawn from around the 14,000 swing high to approximately the 6,500 swing low. Picture here for you. The 2019 fractal also illustrated at least two bullish divergence scenarios wherein the Bitcoin price formed lower lows while its daily relative strength indicator, a price momentum oscillator, made lower highs. It hinted weakness in the prevailing bearish momentum, and as it turned out, the price soared later. 2021, Bitcoin reconstructed the 2019 scenario halfway. At first, the cryptocurrency's correction from its record high of nearly 65,000 landed BTC USD right at the same 50-week SMA support around 30,000. At the same time, its move lower enabled a death cross setup. Bitcoin's price action in the past week also hinted at a bullish divergence scenario, as shown in the chart below. If you look at this, this is the moment that it's talking about here. The crossover, the death cross. All right. Trading Shot, a market analytics platform, noted that a bullish divergence formation coupled with a rebound from the 50-week SMA support could again send Bitcoin prices to the 61.8 level fib of the current top to bottom Fibonacci retracement graph. This is a bullish divergence and was also seen during October and late November, early December 2019. The divergence was enough to start the rebound to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Very interesting. We can see here, this is where it's saying the death cross happened. COVID self anomaly, abnormal event, consistently moved, and we had come all the way back up to the 618 level, which is here, 47,000. Okay. Fundamentals. The statements appeared as Bitcoin closed its second quarter at a 51% loss, logging its worst decline since the 43% sell-off in the fourth quarter of 2018. The cryptocurrency's recent drop took cues from a flurry of negative fundamentals, including China's crackdown on the crypto industry, global regulators increasing their scrutiny, and as well as Elon Musk anti-Bitcoin tweets. Meanwhile, demand for Bitcoin also declined after the Federal Reserve's hawkish tone. The US central bank announced that it might hike its benchmark interest rates by the end of 2023 to curb inflationary pressures, coinciding with BTC USD rate plunge on June 16th and afterward. Despite strong headwinds, Bitcoin managed to float above 30K, a psychological support level, and it's currently back above 35K. However, the equally strong resistance level at 40K is keeping the cryptocurrency short-term bearish bias intact. So, in the long run, I genuinely think that this is going to have a great impact on the price of SHIB. The long article there, I'll post a link to it so you can go through it yourself, but Bitcoin gets back up to around that 4750K mark. By the time that happens, ShibaSwap will be out. There'll be probably 750,000 holders of the token. I only imagine the market cap of SHIB by then will be sitting somewhere around, I would at least say $7 to $8 billion market cap. So hopefully we can get to a $7 billion, $8 billion market cap before the end of the year. But yeah, look, if you like the content, hit that sub button, drop a comment down below and let me know that you're part of the SHIB army. And yeah, appreciate the support. Peace.